Giraffes, the tallest mammals on Earth, are facing a silent crisis. Their numbers have dwindled dramatically in recent decades. Once widespread across the African savannas, these gentle giants are now vulnerable to extinction. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, classifies giraffes as a species of least concern. But this masks the plight of some subspecies. While the overall giraffe population might seem stable, this is misleading. The numbers can be deceiving and mask the true crisis at hand. Several subspecies are teetering on the brink of disappearance, facing threats from habitat loss, poaching, and human encroachment. The Kordofan giraffe, for instance, numbers fewer than 2,500 individuals in the wild, making it one of the most vulnerable. Similarly, the Nubian giraffe, with its distinctive chestnut-brown markings, is critically endangered, with numbers dwindling rapidly. The reticulated giraffe, known for its intricate net-like patterns, faces a similar predicament, struggling to survive in shrinking habitats. Their decline is a stark reminder that we must look beyond overall species numbers and focus on the plight of individual subspecies. Conservation efforts must be tailored to address the unique challenges each subspecies faces. Giraffes are not just iconic figures of the African landscape. They are keystone species, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. Their towering height allows them to reach vegetation inaccessible to other herbivores, shaping the structure of woodlands and savannas. By browsing on tall trees, they prevent overgrowth and create a mosaic habitat that benefits other species. Their dung, rich in nutrients, fertilizes the soil, promoting plant growth. Section 4. Threats on the horizon, habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. These are the primary challenges that giraffes face today. The decline of giraffes can be attributed to a complex interplay of factors, the most significant of which is habitat loss. This loss is not just a reduction in space, but a transformation of their natural environment. As human populations expand, giraffe habitats are being converted into farmland, settlements, and infrastructure. This encroachment is relentless, leaving giraffes with fewer places to roam freely. This encroachment fragments their populations, isolating them and making them more susceptible to disease and genetic bottlenecks. Isolated groups struggle to maintain healthy genetic diversity, which is crucial for their survival. Poaching for their meat, hides, and body parts also poses a grave threat, particularly in areas with weak law enforcement. The illegal wildlife trade continues to thrive, driven by demand and lack of stringent regulations. Climate change exacerbates these challenges. The changing climate affects the availability of water and food, critical resources for giraffes. Rising temperatures and prolonged droughts are shrinking water sources and reducing the availability of food. These harsh conditions force giraffes to travel longer distances in search of sustenance. Giraffes, adapted to arid environments, are now facing more frequent and severe droughts, pushing them to their physiological limits. Their resilience is being tested like never before, and the future remains uncertain. Section 5. A call to action, safeguarding the future of giraffes. The future of giraffes hangs in the balance, but there is still hope. These majestic creatures, known for their towering necks and gentle demeanor, face numerous threats in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these gentle giants and their dwindling habitats. Dedicated teams of scientists and rangers are working tirelessly to ensure their survival. Establishing protected areas and wildlife corridors is crucial to connect fragmented populations and allow for genetic exchange. These corridors provide safe passage for giraffes to move freely and find new mates. Community-based conservation programs, empowering local communities to manage their natural resources sustainably, are also essential. By involving local people, we create a sense of ownership and responsibility towards giraffe conservation. Anti-poaching patrols, supported by advanced technology like drones and tracking devices, are helping to deter illegal hunting and protect vulnerable populations. These efforts are vital in ensuring that giraffes continue to roam the African savannas for generations to come. Section 6. Hope for the gentle giants, our chance to make a difference. The plight of giraffes is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the impact of human actions on the natural world. But it is not too late to act. By raising awareness about their plight, supporting conservation organizations working to protect them, and advocating for sustainable practices, we can all contribute to securing a future for these magnificent creatures.